This video is about an old technique called soaking, where you soak your food in boiling water to reduce the potassium and phosphorus content. This comes from the Journal of Renal Nutrition, July 2022. And they did soaking on a variety of foods, and they found by soaking your foods for 5 to 10 minutes, you can reduce the potassium and phosphorus content. Now, you would do this if you were at risk or you had elevated potassium or phosphorus levels. If you had normal, low normal, this isn't something you'd want to do because it really doesn't show a benefit, or we don't know of the benefit at this point. So you do this if you're having an issue and you're looking to control it. So let's get in some of these foods. So soaking foods resulted in a reduction of potassium and phosphorus. Potassium reduction in beef, green leafy vegetables, and grains was 40 to 49%. In chicken, fish, and non-leafy vegetables was 30 to 39%. In tubers, that's potatoes, yams, cassava, was 10 to 20%. Phosphorus reduction in grains and beans was 30 to 39%. In non-leafy vegetables, 20 to 29%. In beef, chicken, and fish, 10 to 20%. Conclusion: soaking foods for 5 to 10 minutes, okay, in boiling water. So you boil the water first, put your food in there for 5 to 10 minutes. Can really make an impact on those potassium and phosphorus levels. Thanks for watching, everybody. A lot of other videos about phosphorus and potassium on our channel here to check out. To your best kidney health. Bye.